Hello and karibu sana session yetu litukoria rero samarieta ankuro ko Harriet Nyarangi no mogeni torero tigate una kuro kunga kiro ko samarieta
aso gweru kwa nankuro kunga Joma utinchaga batirende nimbata magana wengo kora yokuegia kama kuruka makumba yes
oni gamarieta to aliorokire akuro kujo
mauti nchaga ile mauti na wali akoza bangi ama gweli tari magwelia mauti tu munora kugende yonzi yes
ono tell us more about yourself aebuna jo ningo
jo tari monto mongo aligi nya gwechana ngo ningo igona tenga jo osema kumba no momura okunya gweliya na kwebeka ngasinge njo yokolinga kirenga kirinya sana tongetengere kieke na makonyana kirenga kiane njo no mwegia na manya kosoma kana kuegia was acting as a anene tari at national level but naranya narrow down first as a culture to Kisii kwenye showing how to appreciate na kuimukirelia ngaki abagusina otoramo na anda bagusindu watebia kunya sa tokonyera.
Okay.
So that's what I can say. Yeah.
So that's what you can say.
That's who Makumba is.
You are that is who Makumba is, and that is who Joe is at the same time.
Yeah. No, Joe and Makumba, they are different, but the difference is not. There's no too much difference, but though there's a difference. Joe is a farmer. Joe is a family man. Joe is a God-fearing man. Joe has a lot more description than Makumba. Makumba is an arrogant guy, an actor that have nembugete negiri yo monto bwate oborogete sekenyoro usoga yachirie usoga gachugune chingurujina mate kana gachugwe se character yana na yule understanding ndo morora ikatimbwa timangana monto lakini se character yana ya Makumba igondo monto mominu kweli. So no, I think there's a difference between Joe and Makumba.
If Joe met Makumba, Joe isa komera na Makumba lero. By one.
Joe basa komera na Makumba lero. Umuchana makana wara sokoba. Ekiara Joe no monto muova. Na no monto irogete yani oiro embuya ye nembuya masikani. Etabu ati you know itabu tanda kono no monto bwensi. Joe tabuga the problem was tagurwani segi Joe tago kinani kendo gera kolera but Makumba no monto muminu na no monto wa approach bintu na ngabirigire diga na nda tabo mubui ase bintebyo so Joe na Makumba bomerana oiketa bodia roka no oikumo chando bo
oikaba bagonga nake.
That's right.
Wono growing up nkwaro no kine tega nkwaro chino be actor no be montole boni.
Growing up I would say nanengo ntego again tego kora special aso mwana mono kunga Caleb Nyangono my drama teacher from high school. Nyangono naroje ke ukiana kio kuegia matuka mange sana kuna jaga form 1 form 2 form 3 pakala get form 4 nande ase kusiga nyonde likato wajiti tumanira to wajiti district kuri county jama the district bwa dinguru bono but in Gucha district nabe the best actor umwaka kurunga o 2009 I was the best actor the whole of Kisii district nande trophy ane na nyore that time no were nyumba bakalero iga na were ngirige to kya too much money bakano ngirigeria kiko ngomoyo sana asoko nyolinga tali sabali tali kwa nyachaka sabali ya chakete kale so me asa magana ko iya tinde ko tengene bekerera nembu ya ne akurukale nabo no kana tene mutu sekerole nabo konyora ngonyago kwanda nande sekerole igoni ani jane ngonyora ndengerati ekero kere mutu ona so ko iya ose being an actor it was there from my childhood.
So when did it start? How many years?
Back from the day from Sunday school, tingo nyara ko count Sunday school because I'm not sure na I think cause where I'm headed to. But from high school, so let's say from around 2007 to this age, I've always known this is what I want to do, and this is what my life is. Ever. Yep.
So kwaranya kolirende for a while, bune profession.
Yeah, it's been as a profession. I would like to say, I have done nimbote two things I do professionally as an actor. One is igonde nkoreka zanandizi TV. That's where the name Makumba yaruete. The second thing nimbote ndurunga maisha arts. Nechi grupu nchile chingao chu akwende ya setbook performances tu akora miaka mengi sana. So ngojine tu akora setbook performances ito akora to work with students. Aliyese kia school and we take a setbook tuasoma kwenye character abantu wenye character mwende stage act the whole book. So professionally I would say from the year 2013 I professionally became an actor, and the acting is akunga chibesa chirichinke konga. So that's what makes this professional or as a business.
So does it pay well?
Well, I would not, it's not easy. Just like any other profession, when you want to be a doctor, doctor mbe usine millionaire. Come disappointed the same way tingo nyara go judge if it pays well or not, but I would say me as an actor I'm proud of my work. Ningo krete kasi ningo kora na ande na mongeza ningetego chive chinke kasi inere ko ngisarike nkoro yana. Yes.
Kwara abuna kwaranya kolerinde kurwate vire 2010. What are the high moments what were say professionally?
The best of the moments are just two. One, ekero na konyo my award when I was in high school. That thing was a moment area. Paka today as we speak, eres en Korea name. Because when I was being awarded, when the cheering squad, I want to back when the award. Up to today, still, Erikubuga Mata name. Nabamanya tenga, Kiaringa Saigo. Nima Chinko na Chihuahua, lakini nima tenga Chinko Jiriwa agete. Nuko Chenga Goba Chengete. Mbabiterina Monton de Buens. Ikiara on Tamara and Goroba Uchi award, but the Connecticut and Kwaiwa, there was a huge difference. And the second one, because we've been fighting. Personally, I didn't believe acting, every we see in our language. But our first movie, Obokabara. When we launched Obokabara, because most of the things we do are more comic. And even to be a sekia, na karagano was some chile son. Ekato akorto Obokabara. Ekaro the launch, the day of the launch, a movie karagan to go play. I didn't find them funny.
Yeah.
But kare abando ichire hall Kisi Culture Galia, there were so many people. Yama gotoka na ikire party anango kuana eoling mayaseka paka na gumingi bako sekera. That gave me the happiest times in my life because bako nyolinga igente woko na kia mana ko seninga tugia yani ne ekosa ringia ekolende me kokase amagi maito. Degentonge okera ba igente kinga chuso mo bwana as I believe. How could you make someone smile? So seeing that happen, that whole Wotukobu, I think that's a moment I can never forget.
It was so motivational.
It really motivated me.
Okay.
Yes.
Go drive it and cover the actor you are as Makumba at the moment.
Of course, I would love to say this. Makumba of this day is a young man or a very focused. I still believe I can do better. I still believe, I know there's another new dawn. Ekongira 11 hours sebo kumabwane mne actor. Timbili veting I was born mbe actor within Kisi.
Okay.
I believe I am an actor beyond this country, Kenya.
That is
Yani,
good drawing.
ndigireti mutu sana beyond, including also Hollywood. Because I don't believe, there's no impossibility. As long as you believe and you have a God, I believe one day, just like the likes of Lupita Nyong'o. I think I'm so sorry. I can't ask you about the likes of Lupita Nyong'o. I still believe there's a day that is coming.
Yeah.
Abanto was a bloggers because on their timelines they write a story about Makumba and how this journey began.
Okay.
So I'm looking myself far beyond today.
So like we should look for more of Makumba
Exactly.
like in the coming
Exactly.
years.
Exactly. One of the things is I nataka niingie usenso asa vipindi more national. Professional in gender journalist. I've done journalism as my profession. My profession. So I'm hoping one day, one time. Of course, I don't want to follow the line of journalism. I want to follow the line of acting. So nimbi living one day, one of the renowned actors, brother, in this country would be me, to be a good example, to show everyone, it doesn't matter where you began.
Okay.
There is one day the whole country will be talking about you. I cover the topic of the day. So, so Makumba might grow more than I am today. And I believe, and I will believe, and I will forever believe in that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wa mentioned journalism. Mkwanya go practice anything to do with journalism?
Anything to do with journalism.
Apart from acting.
I'm sorry. I have, just like another young man, we fight every day. We struggle every day to find our purpose. Tukunya kueria, ngaingo soera.
Kubiriera.
Biakonga, gasinchio. Sometimes when we were in high school, we were being told wono somo itamatemu, ochobo ikiongozi kia mambi. Somo itamatemu, ochobo gasi yange engio nyajibasi nyingi. Ekarua kure college you as a developing country mne Kenya, gasi nyingi nchio. Kwa buno moyo, gasi teyora nyole no nyiligia no mnyoko zora mnyoke. So my journalism na temeta sengunya arake. Ngunya koliga linga gaingo soera. But irene ko tewaiga. I have not practiced my journalism. But there's a gift as well. Mna sakale na wako ebiego binga sana. There's a gift of journalism ere meane. But in chomo nyen mna jo usemna Makumba tinanye enough attention.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if I'll still give it attention or not. I didn't go pronounce anything. But given a chance as a journalist, I believe I can deliver.
So it's not a closed door?
It's not a closed door. It's open door. Everything at God's time should happen.
Okay.
Yep.
Ono metevu na mogogo gochiocha na ma mechando na rongo chire ya swana na gatia.
Yeah, na mine.
Ono buna wa every high moments cha rotevi yangu your low moments.
Low moments. There are so many low moments. I'd say in any line of profession, if you mark on the low moments, by the way.
Drive crazy.
But the lowest moment of my life is when I realize people do not believe in what I believe in. Me as an actor, that's the lowest moment of my life. This might be family. Whenever I have close friends, they don't believe. Yani wanatoka ki tokopo mwalimu ngio wano ngigo chandete. Toko kwali bintu kwa bila konya kwa na manazi kwa sababu muzikali. So the lowest moment of my life is when I see someone is not appreciating what I'm doing or what I believe in. That is the lowest. Opa sekere geteganga ebintebanya wagiti. etoka ni ntware karenge rikere serious munda katanga ki una minute boli because name the bribe akora gali sensitive.
The other time I was interviewing nengo kwa no sora kante bakubiruke video.
Nga amura bali be video banya ko ke bintu ketaiga. That is I think it is time. I think in Africa, I've seen this in Nigeria and South Africa. It is time we should appreciate every small effort we can do, be it in end line of duty. Ikuwe ni actor, ikuwe ni mwalimu, ikuwe ni daktari, everything. Let's appreciate at the same level because all this is a profession. Hii yote inalipa because acting inalipa. Mimi acting imenipea pesa. I earned in a day 100,000. One day. Some people work for a month 100,000. This is a show, unaenda kwa shule unapigia wanafunzi show, una earn 1,100. Ni siku ngapi utafanya kazi nyingine uone 30 days or plus, you know? So hii ni kazi inalipa. At the end of the day inalipa. So I expect, because I've seen, I can testify. So I expect abantu very close to me, wasibali bamanyete, wasibali bakubutana barabo, ba appreciate batebenga. Kosibango moyo nga mento muki kendra kori mtoko kora. So ekerongo nyana monte orengere in that line amoyo no go kusana lakini nende toko tegemea abantu mate toko nyera abantu ko tenga gana mutu kusira na maiga. It is you to decide ugiaru mono bwao. Yep.
Ono what role kyota nyale gote toko play pi kwa iru chiroli echichons pe their cast toko nyago play.